Hey, Sizzle and Spice friends, you think you've had some good fried shrimp? Baby, not until you have tried these Caribbean style. Seasoned to perfection, served with fried plantains and fried sweet potatoes. The flavor does not lie. Let's get right into it. First, I start off by washing my green plantains, removing the stem and the tip at the end, and I core it 3 times along the sides. Then I remove the skin, I slice it on the elongated shape, and I put it in my tostanera, drizzling a little salt on it, guys, just to give them a press. Then I put them back in the oil and fry them off to a crisp. Next, I move on to washing my potatoes. These are known as Jamaican sweet potatoes. Usually found in Jamaica, we use them to make puddings. They're a little bit firmer in texture. So I go ahead and I peel it off. I slice it into wedges. Then I put them in some hot water. You can use cold water, but I use hot water, guys. And I drizzle some salt in the water. For flavor, you can also add any seasoning powder of choice to infuse those flavors in. I set it aside to soak up those flavors. Then I move on to season the shrimp. Not using too much seasoning at this point, guys. I add some Badea seafood seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika off camera, and I drizzle with some flour, combining all those seasoning powder. Then it's time to fry the sweet potatoes. Here they are, guys, frying until they are tender on the inside, crispy on the outside, nice and golden brown. Then it's time to make my shrimp. Pour in my olive oil, added butter and green seasoning, building those layers of flavor. Sauteing my green seasoning until they're properly cooked. I added some water and look at that consistency. At this point, guys, it's ready to serve. I'm about to dig in. Welcome back again to my channel. Let's get a bite into this shrimp. Nice, crunchy. It's a fried sweet potato. Give it a try. Remember to comment, like, and share this video, guys. And for those of you who have been watching my videos over and over, thank you so much, and commenting. I really appreciate you. And those of you who are watching and have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for stopping by. And those of you who have recently subscribed, thank you so much. And remember, this flavor, oh baby, it doesn't lie. I catch you in my upcoming videos. Yeah, man.